If you create quote colouring books or quote colouring pages to sell online, and if you're not utilising Gemini's Nano Banana, well, you're missing out on creating good quality books. Now, in this video, I have a bunch of these quote page examples which I want to share with you, and then I'm also going to share with you a prompt structure specifically for Gemini that you can use yourself to create your own quote colouring pages. Now, if we take a look at this one, this was actually one of my favourites, and this quote is in the shape of a heart and just looks absolutely amazing. But I have around 15 of these, which we're going to take a look at, just so you can see the quality of what Google Gemini can actually create. Because I now personally think that Google Gemini, along with Nano Banana, is one of the best AIs out there for creating colouring books. Now that's 10. I have another heart just here, which I really liked as well, and then I got 5 more just here. So as we can see, these are absolutely perfect. Now what I went ahead and done was actually created some of these within Google Gemini, and then some of them here in Kittle, because if we come over to Gemini for a second, I created so much that I've actually been put on hold, and I can't create any more until the 31st of March, which is today, but not until 11 minutes past 6. Now if we take a look up here, you can see where I created all of these. Now let's come back over to here, let's zoom out so we can get a better look at all of these, just like that. Now, one thing I love about Google Gemini is the typography. So as we can see, we can create some really nice fonts within Nano Banana on our colouring pages. Now again, these were created with Nano Banana, but I did actually use Kittle just here. Now, one of the reasons I love using Kittle for creating my colouring books as well is that if we click on here, we can see that there's lots of different models to choose from, and there's quite a few different Nano Bananas, but I mainly use the Nano Banana 2 because if we look here, it chooses 14 credits per generation, which is really good. And all of these just here, apart from the top 5, I believe, were actually created with Nano Banana 2. Now, quick side note, if you do struggle coming up with low competition colouring book niches, then come and check out my free GPT. Now, this is called Colouring Book Niche Finder, GPT, and if you want to come and check this out, what I'll do is link this down in the description below. So, how did I actually create all of these? Well, it's by using a very specific prompt structure. Now this structure I actually turned around and created a GPT specifically for creating quote colouring pages within Nano Banana. Now this is for my own personal use, but I'm going to show you this because this is how I actually created all of those designs. Now the GPT looks like this at the minute, I haven't put an image there, and then it creates prompts just like this. So if we scroll up to here, all I had to do was ask, what are some of the biggest niches for bold and easy? And it gave them me. And then I put prompt for self-care, make the quote centered, free fillers. Now a filler, if we come back over to here, let's just scroll in a little bit. So these are fillers like this splash, this star, this wiggle, these flowers just here. These are what you call fillers. So if we come back over to here, that's what I asked for, and then I got this prompt. Now I am going to give you this prompt structure as well in just a few minutes, but then I put another, but I want the quote to be in the shape of a heart. And if we come back over to here, that's how I got this one. So what this prompt generator is doing is just making things a lot quicker for me if I want to create quote colouring pages. Now let's just scroll past all of this and let's come down to the bottom, because I asked it to give me the prompt structure and explain in brackets what goes where. So we have in brackets what you'd want to change out. So right here would be where you describe the overall placement of elements and viewpoint. Example, centered, stacked, curved, or shaped layout. Then right here we have the layout, the subject, the quote, the style application, the item details, the filler details, the technical constraints, and the background just here. Then again, in quotes is what you want to change out. Now, what I'm going to do is take this prompt structure and I'll put it down in the comments down below and pin that comment as the first comment. This way you can take this and then use it however you want. Now, the best way to use this prompt structure would be to already have your color and pages in mind. You can do that on Gemini. You can do that here in ChatGPT. And then you can give whichever AI you want all of your page ideas along with this prompt structure and ask it to fill out the prompt structure very specific for each individual page. And then you're going to get some really nice quote coloring pages. Now, one thing to note as well is that this prompt structure is what I actually use to create any type of coloring page over in Gemini. It's just slightly modified. So this one is modified for quotes, but you could actually play around with this and modify it for anything that you want. Now, when I'm creating normal, bold and easy coloring books, I actually have a part just up here which references a reference image that I use. Now, with that being said, I just want to show you how well these prompts actually work. So we're actually going to use my generator for this. Now, in fact, if you want access to this generator instead of the prompt structure, then drop a comment down below saying generator. And if I get enough interest, I'll go ahead and turn this into a little mini product. So let's go ahead and actually use this. What we're going to do is put in something like Christian quote, centered, no graphics, 2 fillers, and let's put decorative font. In fact, let's put 5 fillers. Then we're going to click enter. And now what this is going to do is create me a unique Christian quote. Is going to be centered with no graphics, but 5 fillers and a decorative font. Now let's just give that a second. And there we go. We have the main part or the beginning of the prompt. We have the layout, the subject, the quote, the style application, the item details, the filler details, the technical constraints, and the background. So now all I have to do is simply copy this, come over to Kittle. Let's come down to here. We're going to plug this in here just like that. We're going to click there, Nano Banana 2, and let's click generate. And now let's just give this a second to do its thing. And there we go. So as you can see, this looks pretty good. Grace leads me, peace holds me, Christ renews me. And as we can see, this one's just a really nice, simple, quote, coloring page. But nonetheless, give this prompt structure a go, feed it to ChatGPT or even Gemini, and have it fill out the information to create your own coloring pages or quote coloring pages. And again, what I'll do is put this down in the comments down below and pin it as the first comment. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and have a watch of this.